Okay, so now we are on chapter 6.7, page 346, problem number 15. On this problem number 15, what do they ask you? You have two equations, x equal 2 and y equal minus x plus 9. And the question is, solve the system equation graphically if the system does not have a single ordered pair as a solution. State whether the system is inconsistent or dependent. Okay, so graphically means you need to graph each of these two equations. When you graph, first of all, when you graph x equal 2, what you have to say, it's very simple. X equal 2. X does not depend on y, correct? Depend on y. What does that mean? That means for any value of y, x will be always equal to 2. So if you have to graph that on a Cartesian system coordinate separately, okay, this is y, this is x. For any value of y, x will be always equal to 2. 1, 2. So when y equals 0, x equals 2. When y equals 1, x equals 2. When y equals 2, x equals 2, etc., etc., etc. So you can see that for any value of y, x doesn't change. And when you have x equal 2, basically you have a vertical line. All right? Okay, now let's take a look at the second. The second is minus x plus 9. So now if I look at y equal minus x plus 9, I can see that my slope is negative 1. And I can see that my y-intercept, which is the point when x equals 0, in this case y equals 9. And when I look at my slope, because the slope equals negative 1, it is negative 1 divided by 1. So that means I can go down 1, divided, and then to the right 1. Make sense? We're just going to do that. Down 1, right 1. From which point? From the y-intercept. So if I have to graph that, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. This is my y-intercept, and I know that I need to go down 1, right 1. This is my second point. This is my line. God, it's not. We good? So now here's the thing. They ask you to solve the system. When they ask you to solve the system, that means that if you go back to you got something, we got something like this for y equal negative x plus 9, and we got something like that for x equal 2. And when they ask you to say solve the system, that means you're looking for the point of intersection between the two lines. And here is the solution. So graphically, you need to be as precise as you can in order for you to have an accurate value of your point as a value of x and as a value of y. As you can see, x will be equal to 2. What is the value of y? Well, graphically, you can look at it and you will define it. Or if you look at x equal negative 2 and y equal negative x plus 9, you take this value of x, you substitute it here, and you are going to find y equal negative 2 plus 9. You're going to find y equals 7. Normally right here, it is 7. Make sense? You okay right now?
Yeah.
All right, so now we are going to do problem number what?
33.
33. Okay, so number 33. So number 33, what do we have? We're having 3x plus y equal 15. This is why I really don't like this app. All right, so number 33. So we're having 3x plus y equal 15, and we're having x equal minus 1/3 over y plus 5. The good thing is, by substitution mean, from one of these two equations, you express y or x by itself, and then you are substituting the variable you expressed by itself in the previous equation. They give you x extended by itself already. So what you are going to do is you are going to take this x right here, and you are going to substitute it in this first equation. So what do you have if we do that? Let me change the color. So we are going to have is 3 times, and x is minus 1/3 over y plus 5 plus y equal 15. Do you follow?
Okay.
So now I'm getting a minus y plus 15 plus y equal 15. At the end of the day, you got 15 equal 15. And I'll let you end up to tell me if you have a system which is inconsistent or dependent.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are going to do the problem number
46.
46.
4x plus y
4x plus y
equals 6.
equals 6.
And negative 8x
Negative 8x
minus 2y
minus 2y
equals 13.
equals 13. So what I like right away is if I do by addition, I'm going to multiply this line by 2. And when I multiply this line by 2, what is going to happen is I'm going to get 8x plus 2y equal 12. And I'm going to have minus 8x minus 2y equal 13. Then I add these two lines. And when I add these two lines, what do I have? I got 25 right here, and I get 0.
Okay.
And so it is inconsistent.
Inconsistent and
We
no
good?
solution. All right.
We good?
Yep.